Hello everyone. Welcome to this Selenium with Java tutorial series for beginners. If you have ever wondered how websites can be tested automatically without clicking everything manually, you are in the right place. By the end of this series, you'll be able to create your own automation with the help of Selenium. Now, what is automation? Automation is something that reduces manual effort and saves time, increases accuracy by reducing human errors, helps in executing repetitive tasks efficiently, enables continuous testing for faster delivery, essential for agile and DevOps practices. So, the automation can be integrated with your DevOps tasks so that after every release, the automation can test the sanity of your application. Now, what is Selenium? Selenium is an open source library that can help you to automate web browsers. It supports multiple languages, that is Java, Python, C#, and it works across browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, integrates with TestNG, JUnit, Cucumber, and it's useful for regression, functional, and cross-browser testing. Selenium is an open source library, so it is easy for you to use it with your preferred language. Now let's see what else are some real life scenarios wherein you can use the help of automation. So you can automate the login flow of website, filling forms like Java application signups, testing e-commerce checkout process, validating search functionality, booking tickets or hotel rooms online. Now let's quickly jump to the coding part of it. So we are using Eclipse, and with the help of Eclipse, we'll be creating a Maven project. To create a Maven project, click on the hyperlink and then click Next. Then in the filter section, you'll have to type the filter that you want to use to create the Maven project. And we are going to use Maven archetype quick start. And we'll choose org Apache Maven archetype option. That is the third one. And then click Next. Provide the group ID and artifact ID based on your requirement. For this example, we are using COM knowledge base knowledge library example, artifact ID is Selenium, and then click on Finish. After a few seconds, you'll be able to see that there's a project on the left hand side, and it will have the basic structure which will help you to create or write Java code to interact with web browsers. So let me quickly explore the project. Once you open it, you'll be able to see a package with Java class, a pom.xml. This XML file will have all the dependencies that you need in this project. We will quickly add the Selenium dependency because we are going to use Selenium library for this example. After you add the dependency and you save it, the library will be downloaded and will be available locally for this application to use. Now quickly jump to the Java code. It's the plain auto-generated Java code. We'll modify it to make it work to interact with a web browser. In this example, we are trying to interact with Chrome browser, so we'll be using Chrome driver. The initialization is simple. You need a WebDriver instance and you need to decide which browser you want to interact with. Then you can use the functionality of the driver like get to open the browser and point to google.com. In the next line, we'll capture the title of this web page and print it out on the console. And at the end, we'll simply quit the driver, which will close the browser and release the handle with the browser. We have added a wait just to see what's going on the screen. It's not mandatory, it's totally optional. Right click, run as Java application. You can see the messages on the console, and now the Chrome browser is up and running and it is pointing to google.com. After a few seconds of wait, it'll close the browser and we'll be able to see on the console what was the title of this page, and it is Google. You can see that. This was a quick example of how you can use Selenium with Java. See how simple that was. In just few lines of code, we opened Chrome, visited Google, and captured the page title. This is just a beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll explore how to interact with different elements